Welcome back to Jewel in the Kitchen. I'm here with you with a juicing video this time. And I know I'm really tired, but I just got to make this juice. So I have this fruit that I bought a couple days ago and I really don't want to go have them go bad. So I decided to do it now. So it's this beautiful papaya and pineapple. Just two ingredients. I'm going to give you this quick, delicious, healthy recipe. And it's got gut cleansing. Guys, this is gonna clear your colon. If you have problem with constipation, it's gonna be helping you out so good. And because it has such beautiful color, you know it's good for your skin. So let's get started. So see how beautiful the papaya look, and fresh and nice. You know the juice is gonna be good. So we're gonna clean up our fruit. Nice and fresh. Nice fresh papaya, really nice. I love papaya, just eating it like that, I love it. But now we're gonna juice it because you know why? I'm excited with my new cold press juicer. So it's all about juicing now for me. Now that we have our papaya ready, we're gonna do our, see, it's nice, beautiful papaya. It's all cut up and ready to juice. So guys, these are all natural fruits. So you know when you get natural fruit, it's no added sugar. So this is better for your body. You don't add any sugar, it just uses natural sweet. So let's start. We're gonna go first with our papaya. And all this, like all this can go in one once. Okay, I won't overcrowd it. I don't want to break it. That would be the sad part. Alright, so the whole papaya is full in. I'm gonna go stop now. So you can pull up and walk away. That's what I love about this juice. So you can pull up and walk away. And if I wasn't filming, I would have walked away. See, there, it's coming out. Can use the papaya. You can actually eat this because it's still, normally you would eat everything from the papaya. So I'm not going to mix it with the pulp here. I'm not going to mix with the pineapple because I'm going to eat this. See there, it's coming out. And I'm going to add some papaya seed, like a tablespoon to mix. That papaya seed is good. It has a lot of health benefits. promotes digestion and it reduces symptoms such as bloating, gas and constipation, and that's good. So it's healthy. It's never good to be bloated, neither constipated. So this is good, as papaya seed itself has a lot of enzymes that promote all that digestion. We all need that at some point or the other. So that's it. Go and use it in process and then juice. Rich juice coming out. Oh, rich that juice is. I'm excited. And I'm gonna be adding my pineapple. This is a whole pineapple. So I hold pineapple. I think we can. I know we can. We don't want to burst this thing up, but I think it can hold a whole pineapple. All right. Pineapple going on there. I love my ginger. I taste the papaya all by itself and such a nice smoothie juice. But I love ginger and I'm gonna add just like a thumb of ginger in there. A thumb of ginger because it all helps. You know, ginger also has health benefit too. So I'm gonna put it in here just to get that see, just a thumb. You don't want to make it too acidic. Alright, so that's it. And it's going on here. And that's the papaya seed coming out. Oh, so rich and rich looking juice. Really healthy juice. You can tell by the look that it's healthy. No sugar added, no milk, no nothing. It's just all natural. And this, guys, is gonna help us with everything. You know, it's gonna give us a total body rhythm. And I usually juice a lot before. I was so energetic until I, not juicing as much, and I become so lethargic. But with juicing and this, guys, you can use one of these. You can replace one juice for one meal. Like in the morning, you want to have it for breakfast, you have it, or you have it for lunch, and then you skip one meal and replace it, or skip two. Because this is a full meal. When you check it out, it could be a full meal because you have a lot of vegetable and fruits, and you don't have to do my papaya and pineapple. You can do just about anything you want. If you want to have your spinach with your kale, add some vegetable, mix it with your fruits, and that's a complete meal, right? And then later on you have the protein. So guys, this is it. So I'm gonna fill up. I don't want to waste, and I'm doing it all by myself, so I don't want to waste it. I'm gonna fill up my bottles that I'm gonna be drinking right now. So guys, what I like about juicing in a juicer than in a blender, you don't add no water. In the blender you have to put water. So if you put water, then you're gonna have to add sugar. So that's one of my main thing about juicing in a juicer than in a blender. So please remember to cook with love. Oh, now it's not cooking today, it's juicing with love. Stay healthy, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.